Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep hacking.
Welcome back. We are continuing with our general skills, and today we'll be covering what's a netcat. So you can connect. So netcat is a tool to establish connection to any server using TCP or UDP protocols. If you want to know more, I have attached the link in the description. You can check that below. And let's. So they have specified. First of all, let's check uh, the manual for netcat and see. So we can specify the source port here and IP address using the S flag. Right, receive, copy, and then port 41120, and we got the response, and easily we got the flag. So it was very easy, 100 points.
If you found this video useful, give it a like. And don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again. See you in the next video.